we're here today, March 23rd, first day of lockdown in Michigan. We got an emergency call from SAS Services. They handle all the commercial roofing for this building, 1300 Lafayette, and they need this prepared so they can go ahead and start the process of the roofing. Hey, what's happening here? Tell us real quick of why you're exposing this and what's the next step.
We're exposing this to see if the rebar is still good or if it's compromised. Next step will be to affix another piece of epoxy coated rebar to this rebar and then reseal it behind.
So we're gonna expose this, clean it, tie it together with another piece.
Yes.
And then we're gonna go ahead and reform it.
Reform it with the concrete product to seal
with commercial patching.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Keep your glasses and mask on.
Yes, sir.